You want to change an EGR valve on this 2005 Explorer? Let's do it. I already did this, but it looks pretty much the same, right? Has the same connector, has the same cover, even has the same lines. I think we're doing pretty good. Next thing, you're gonna have to take your throttle body right here. You're gonna have to remove that. You're gonna have to remove the air intake that's completely out of the way and disconnect all the wires. You can actually access this bad boy right here. Well, since it needs to be super soaked, let's see if we can test our aim with our old coil. Feel like I nailed it that time. Well, I hope this footage is worth a shit. But now we take a big old wrench. Get it all nice and snug on there. And maybe you can just break it in. How about that? Alright, maybe it ain't that free. Alright, now, once you get it all nice and loosey-goosey, it'll kind of wiggle around in there. Now you gotta execute, you gotta take that bad boy and that bad boy out. Alright. Trick shot. Alright, wasn't really a trick shot. Apparently, I don't know how to aim. Alright, so now I finally got the old one off. On this old EGR, it had a filter and a cap. That's the only thing that's missing on this new unit, so we're going to swap over this guy, and we're going to go put him in right here. Then, so let's see if we can make this happen. One-handed. Ha! Oh yeah, don't forget your gasket. You should probably replace this, but I didn't buy one, and it's like in the middle of the night, and it's raining. Go ahead and get your gasket out. Run to the back side. I'm going to stick the washer in like that, or the gasket thing. He's going to go ahead and give it a little half thread. And there you go. Your assembly is ready to go. Put back the way you took it out. Well, looky there. Got a new EGR valve installed. These fuckers, putting them back on was a complete fucking pain in the ass. I had to make up my own little air ratchet thing out of drills and extendos shit I had laying around. This is my contraption to make it work. Worked out alright. It ain't for the faint of heart, but when you're ready to get it done, it gets it done. Yep, just gotta kind of put everything back where you saw it once. Snug as rug. Alright, this is when you get your good old 10-inch out. You try to make it wrench cam, see if it can actually bite. Will it get it first try? Aw, shit. Bit first try. And then while you're at it, you might as well grab yourself some nice QD contact. Might as well give your mouth a good spray. Some reason it makes them turbos magically appear. And that's what she looks like all put back together. So what we learned is changing the EGR valve, it ain't that bad if you don't strip out a bolt and give up on trying to fix the bolt and RTV in it. So don't do that, just do that one right.